Hammond sang it best, "It never rains in California, but girl, don't they warn ye, it pours, man, it pours." A winter storm is pounding Southern California, and wouldn't you know it? Its arrival perfectly coincides with our week with the new BMW M2. What luck! It pours, man, it pours. To beat the storm, we're headed east in the hope that the Sierra Nevada's prodigious rain shadow will keep us dry. 3 hours northeast of Los Angeles is Olancha, a tiny settlement with a population of 192. We pull into an abandoned diner to consider our options. It's still raining out here, but the forecast is dry for day 2 of M2, so we make plans to settle in nearby Ridgecrest for the night. Olancha sits at the origin of the eastern segment of California State Route 190, the road to Death Valley. A C/D favorite, 190 starts out as lonesome straightaways and cinemascope vistas seemingly pulled from the film Vanishing Point. Blue mountains capped with snow surround us. Off to the south are dunes. A pack of coyotes eyes the M2, and a clear view of the road ahead stretches for miles.